The NONGTLUH Area Farmers Association NEFA had organized the Kunai La Tynrai festival on the 28th and 29th December 2021 at the UMDEN DIWON football ground under NONGTLUH in BHOI district. The MLA of NONGPOH MAYRALBORN SYIEM graced the occasion as chief guest, and others present included the MDC of MAWHATI Charles MARNGAR, MDC of NONGPOH BALAJIED RANI, SYIEM of NONGTLUH PAIEM VINCENT SYIEM, President of the NONGTLUH Area Farmers Association THERISIA SYIEM, members of the association besides government officials and others. The final day of the event witnessed traditional song and dance performances by local artists of different provinces under NONGTLUH that included the cultural troupe Dustur NONGTLUH. Besides other activities, what captured the attention of the audience was the cultural dance item Kashat Rakanthay that was performed by artists of Umkon village under NONGTLUH. The MLA of NONGPOH MAYRALBORN SYIEM, while addressing the gathering, encouraged everyone to always remember their roots so as to keep the identity of the people intact and alive through posterity.
Minyo ban penek pensak ya kerti ke dustur ke kulau ke siap jong kane keri bagi kitumi ngelaya lenti lajan san snem ngenda haging yo ke jela ke bapura ban ngelajan dap yo pusan snem hage lenti kungeri bagi kitumi keri dia iso kemen sibun banagaliang jong ke sarkar pedeng lalu ke snem khat knai spa san tho agaba lala aban bu renti ya garanti penya jong gari gabi kejungi ke constitution gabi khat aga balap sut kerpang aga krenit ka bahan riu ya kajing itu ka kerpang lembaga district council lembaga hima ilaka kirat kidor warsnam naga banta garanti dustur ka kundo ka siap kadi kajing itu ka kerpang ka sarkar kami kala ai yang di paipa nong chong snong aku tu kapor kum gadong satai lamingi bat mentah age jelame khaliabi kitubi.
Speaking to reporters after the official function, MAYRALBORN SYIEM informed that the Kunai La Tynrai festival aims at preserving and sustaining the rich cultural heritage of NONGTLUH and of the indigenous people of the state. Apart from traditional dances and songs, a special presentation of eri silk farming, which has evolved through the years and whose products are displayed, exhibited and sold worldwide, also formed part of the program.
See, this festival, it has a very close association with the recognition of the government of India, of the government of Meghalaya through textile department, that NONGTLUH with its headquarters in DIWON UMDEN has been regarded as the Eri Silk village. So it has a close association with this festival. So all the weavers, the women especially within NONGTLUH, all the villages within it, they come together to be one voice and they celebrate this festival so that we will remember those weavers, all the forefathers who have been led from the front, that we should protect our culture, that we should protect our identity. And now we are here with this festival of Kunai La Tynrai to protect the interests of the indigenous people of our right NONGTLUH, to protect the culture of the people of the northeast of Meghalaya, of BHOI, right NONGTLUH as a whole. So this is very positive steps taken by the women, by the weavers within the umbrella of NONGTLUH Area Farmer Association, and we would like to look forward in days to come, that in years to come also, that this kind of program will be there.
While speaking about the status of the Congress party both in BHOI area and in the state as a whole, the local MLA said that political differences will always exist in any democracy, but he confidently stood his ground by stating that the Congress party is intact and that he is hopeful that the party will perform well and bounce back in 2023.
The ups and downs in politics is always there. The ups and downs in the Congress party, it is nothing new. It is there in the past also. But I will tell you, the people of the state, the people of BHOI, they are with the Congress party. And even though we are small in numbers with regards to elected representatives now, but I have high hope that the people of the state, they will multiply. Now we have 5, it will be multiplied by 5, it will be 25 in 2023. So with high hope, with positive mind and with the support of the public, we hope that Indian National Congress will bounce back and we will be there at the helm of affairs. As far as I'm concerned, everybody will stick. And as far as you are talking about AITC, All India Trinamool Congress, as far as I'm concerned about All India Trinamool Congress, we wish them all the best. We wish them all the best. Those who have joined, we wish all the best. At the end of the day, as an elected representative, we have to serve the people of the state. That is very important. And who will win, who will lose, the people will give their mandate in 2023.